Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Huck's World, and this is Free Watch Face Tuesday round 2. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got an awesome watch face to check out by my man WFP. Now this was a recommendation by Quasi, so I thought I'd go ahead and take a look at it, and already in the door I'm liking the look of this watch face already, right? Now the name of the watch face is called WFP 0096 Weather Fahrenheit Minimalist. Very nice looking watch face, very clean, gives you exactly what you're looking for and then some. Now in the always on mode, what you're gonna get is a black and white theme, nice bold digital time, and all your other information as well that you will get when the watch face is on. Not bad at all. Now when the watch face is on, of course, I like my weather. I love keeping up with the weather. So I love that weather icon, and it is inactive, so you can simply tap on it, yes, and it will take you right into it. You get your weather, you also get your humidity, and what I love most about this watch face, it lets you know in text what kind of day you're having outside. So if it's snowing, it'll let you know it's snowing without you even looking outside. Same thing for rain. Now you also get a big bold digital time. Loving that one as well, where you know my issue with being able to see. Down at the bottom you will get the day, the date, and the month, and battery info, right? But what I'm liking about this watch face is that it gives you some applications, some shortcuts to get to some things like your calendar, of course. Let me tap right here. Double tap, and I can go into my recent. So it gives you certain places you can tap to go into that application, and he gives you a map to let you know exactly where you need to go. So I'm liking this one. This watch face is nice. Double tap right here, and I can change the color of the watch face, and I thought that was nice. It's kind of hard to do it from behind the camera, but we'll try it. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. I'm loving this one. Also, if you double tap right here, you can go in and set your shortcuts. Now I call them shortcuts, people call them app switchers, but you can set it to whatever you want it to be, your contacts, your email, Find My Phone, and then when you go into it, of course, all you do is single tap. It does the same thing over there too as well. So you have two places where you can tap into it to get to your quick shortcuts or applications that are your favorites. I'm loving it. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, especially considering that it's free. Let's go on and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is nice. This one here is definitely boss status. If you're going out on a Friday and a Saturday night and you're dressed to impress, this might be the watch face you want to download. Now you need to know that this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, so the name of the watch face is called WFP, and he gets down on some watch faces. 0066 Rado Hyperchrome. Very nice looking, elegant watch face. I'm loving the look of this one already, but in the always on mode, what I love about it is that you're gonna get the same exact look. So it's gonna show out through whatever it is that you have on for the day or night, and you're still gonna look like a boss. Now, once the watch face is on, I'm liking the look of the hands. I'm liking the style of the background that's going on. I'm really loving the theme. The whole watch face says luxury. I'm liking this look. Most of all, I like that it's a second hand. That's a smooth second hand instead of a ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. So right here is going to give you the day of the week, which is cool. Going to give you your month right there. Battery percentage down at the bottom, and it is inactive. And what I like about it is that you don't see none of the shortcuts, right? But when you tap into it, like I could tap here, I can go into my settings. I could tap here, my calendar. I could tap right here. I can go in and set an alarm. I'm trying to set an alarm now. And I can also tap over here, and I could get my weather. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'll tap right here too as well. He gives you quite a bit of options so far as shortcuts are concerned, and I thought this was very genius for a luxury watch face. You don't really want all of those shortcuts showing when you're trying to look like a boss. All right, you all, what do you think? I'm thinking this is definitely an awesome look, worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store to put in your watch face lineup. And with that, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed Watch Face Tuesday round 2. And if you did, hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.